Hi everyone, welcome to Nefis TV. Today we make chocolate salami, known as Mosaic Cake in Turkey. It's the perfect treat to enjoy with your coffee or tea, and the best part is that it's so easy to make. Let me show you how. In a large bowl, combine 200 ml of milk, 5 tablespoons of granulated sugar, 3 tablespoons of melted butter, and 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder, and stir till combined. Add a cup of crushed walnuts or hazelnuts. I sometimes add pistachios too. Now add the biscuits, crumbling them coarsely. Use your hands to do this instead of the blender because it's better to feel the biscuit pieces inside the salami when you eat it and see them when you slice it. It looks better, so they have to be quite big. Using a spoon, mix until well combined. If you want, you can add dried fruits to add more flavor, or chocolate chips maybe. Make sure everything is chocolate covered and evenly distributed. Cover a baton cake pan or any other pan with plastic wrap. You can also shape it without using any pan, just spreading the mixture out on a plastic wrap and shaping it into a log using a spoon. And you roll up and wrap it like candy, then it will look like a salami. Transfer the mixture into the cake pan and cover the top with plastic wrap as well. With your hands, press down on the sides and corners to give a better shape. Place in the freezer for several hours until firm. Decorate as you desire. I use white chocolate that I melted. If you give it a cylinder shape without using cake pans, you can dust it with icing sugar to make it look more like a salami. Cut into pieces and serve. Better to place at room temperature for a few minutes before cutting. Hope you enjoy! If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like, subscribe and click the bell icon for more videos. Thanks for watching!